Hi friends, I'm greeting you in my mother language in Sri Lanka, Sinhalese. So thank you very much and welcome to my special playlist about online business. So here I already uploaded two previous videos regarding the online business, the background for online business until the online world, and how you can make money through social medias. So today is our topic regarding the business and support service. From that, I would like to highlight you today about the support service. So our topic will be today online support services through social media. Okay, so uh, regarding this topic, I would like to explain you that today the all online business and support service hugely, vastly spread in social media through social medias. It is a part of include the whole Google search. So I explain you how the background came to online business, the background of online business through the history of world history. I explained you. Then after that I explain the online business and the support services, and I explain from the all online things how important the social media and how the business and support services grow in social media. So uh, today I would like to explain you how we can do support service to get big helps to our businesses, online businesses in social media. So remember, still I did not start my discussion about business. I am still discussing the background of the topic, and here I am taking some important facts about this exploration. So actually I am willing to tell you that these things is very important when we are making social media, and when we are doing social media activities. It's very important when we take our business to the and their support services to the online. So here I am telling you, the main reason about this is totally about support services. Now when we want to grow up our business, we need to improve our support services, because now I would like to explain you what are the support services. So these are the support services actually with the business and the support services here. And the first one is money and bank facilities. The second one is transportation. Third one is storing. Fourth one is insurance. Fifth one is communication, and sixth one, biggest one, the most important one regarding the business is advertising. So these are the main support services of the all background facilities for the businesses. Now my friends, I remember you, I am not still begin to talk about the business. I am still talking about the background of online, and how the world come to online, and how we can get opportunities from especially the internet, the social medias, and how we can grow a social media like a business. I explained you before. Now from here I explain you how we can get support from social media to support our business, the support services of business. So you saw the business support services. There are mainly 6 categories. Now when we improve the 6 categories, from them the most important one is advertising. You know, the economy is making products and doing business, and business means the handover, bring the products from the producer to until the customer. It is the business. It is the major part of economy. So to do the business we need these support services, because the products or services, they all the products need these 6 categories, but the services, they need some of these categories. So through all these things, the business will get support from this support service. So we will going to give the support services. We are going to take help for the support services from social media. So what I am telling you, that is very important here. So now the social media, the facilities, the things, what we mean explaining here is how we get advertising. To get help for the advertising, it is the main thing is Facebook, through the Facebook, because from the social media for the advertising, we need to write something like blogs for everything of writing. We can use sharply the Facebook as the social media. So our topic, how we get Facebook to help our support services. So now Facebook have, everyone have Facebook accounts today around the world. So everyone need Facebook account to present himself to the world. So everyone maintain Facebook account. So through that, Facebook can add more about 5,000 friends maximum limit, and after that they can make followers. When the popular icons of the Facebook, they can make followers. So now in this here, now the Facebook, we getting opportunity to our support service. Our support service means the mainly advertising. So if we wish to do some business, and when we know to get advertising means the news of the message of our business should go to many people of the world. So to using that, how we can use the Facebook. So we can create, you can search in Google how to create a shop in Facebook. So when you open a Facebook, you can create albums, pages, but apart from that, there is another facility. You can create a shop in a Facebook. It is normally after you create a page for your business, then you can already also create a shop in your page for your business. After creating the shop, you can advertise it, public it with all other posts in your albums, all the posts with your page. Like that, you can publish your shop also through the Facebook. How we can do this? You can use your normal timeline. So you have the friends until 5,000, until 5K friends, you can use this area. But after that, you will be limited. But now you need to spread your message to more people other than your friends list. So for that reason, what you need to do, you have to join some group, or you need to create a group. So when you create a group, okay, when you create a group, you can add your friends. So their friends can invite for more people. So through that, you can add people to your group. So once you add your all friends to your group, invite them. By inviting them, how many people add them, request them to share your group with their friends. So like that way, you can make some increasing of your group. So other than that, you need to post good blogs in your Facebook group to increase the number of members. Apart from that, you can do another thing. You can search what are the best group to send you a message and join these groups. Select how many members are there, how many active members are there, then how much you are joining to the groups, and how much that much it will be effective. So what you need to do, you need to add to many groups and share your message with these group also apart from your group. This is the step by step how you spread your message around the world. So doing this way, you can be a very good advertiser. You can pass your message to many people around the world. So this is the topics, my friends. These are the tips and topics actually works in this new age. How people need to share, when people need to share the message, what are the tips and tricks we can follow, efficient things we can follow in the Facebook as a best advertising media. So now apart from Facebook, there are so many things, Instagram, Twitter. So you can use these medias also. I believe that Instagram is much more developing now, so you can use these things. So think about these things when you do the advertising of your business. So these are my tips. And remember, when you share one message, sometimes Facebook put you barriers, limited, but don't be encouraged. You can make another Facebook, multiple Facebook account on business purpose, and once you share 100 messages through 100 groups, then Facebook will stop you. Then you log into your another account, the same message you can pass for another 100 groups. So like that you can make advertising through the Facebook continually. So you can use your business, many business groups, or you can use your family members accounts, because you are using this not for bad things. You should always doing these things for the good work. So the business of development, growth of your business is your good goodwill, and it is good for your society and your country. So everything is for good, because you are doing, I believe you're doing good business and doing good promotion. So that's why I am following, I am teaching, explaining you these things. From my side, I hope you that you are doing good things always. So that is my happiness to explain you these things. So thank you very much, my friends. So today I believe that I shared some good things for you. So thank you very much again. I wish you all the best, and I greet you again in my like my people. I appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing me. If you didn't subscribing our channel until now, you can make subscribe and tap the bell icon also. So have a nice day. We'll see you again from my next video. Regarding my next video is about digital market. So from that video I will start to teach you online business, after we explain you everything about the business, how we can use social media for business, and how we can use for social media for support service. So thanks again. I am Suraj Chamara. Meet you again.